Hello students, this video is in continuation of the video number 1 on the poem Lady Lazarus. In that video, the three stanzas of the poem were interpreted. In the three stanzas of the poem, we had learnt that the speaker of the poem is Lady Lazarus. She, in a depressed mood, tells the readers or the unspecified person that she does not want to live anymore. She has tried committing suicide 3 times, but every time she is saved by others. She gives the allusions of the Holocaust to describe her condition. Holocaust is an event in which millions of Jews were killed by the Nazis in Germany during the World War II. The Nazis were the followers of the dictator Hitler. In the poem, she describes her condition as she feels victim like the Jews. Now I begin the poem from the fourth stanza. Is peel off the napkin, O my enemy, do I terrify? Peel off the napkin. She here directly addresses to the reader or the spectator at the time of her death attempt. She says to the spectator or the reader to peel off. Peel off means to remove the napkin. Napkin here is the covering. She calls the reader or the spectator as her enemy, and she says him to remove the covering or to reveal her face after the attempt of her committing suicide. Do I terrify? She inquires whether he is terrified by her features as he sees her there. The nose, the eye pits, the full set of teeth. She inquires if that person, the spectator or the reader, is terrified by her facial features, the nose, the eye pits, and full set of teeth. She assures him that her sore breath will vanish or disappear in a day when she will die. She describes what she looks like after her attempt of committing suicide. Here, the poetess takes a grotesque or a terrible tone in the poem. Soon, soon the flesh the grave cave ate will be at home on me. Here, the poetess presents a hopeful note that soon, soon the flesh the grave cave ate. Lady Lazarus says that when she will die, when her flesh will mix in the grave, after that she will restore her flesh or face again. Soon, soon the flesh the grave cave ate will at home on me. She will restore her face after her death, and I, a smiling woman, when she will die. After her death, she will be a smiling woman. I am only 30. She tells that at the present time she is only 30 years old, and like the cat, I have 9 times to die. She says that just as a cat dies or comes across death many times and escapes to death many times, in the same way, she has also attempted to die many times, but she escapes like the cat. This is number 3. She tells that this is number 3 means she has just completed her third death attempt. What a trash to annihilate each decade. Trash. Trash here means useless attempt or worthless attempt or a failure. What a trash to annihilate, to ruin each decade. Decade means 10 years. She says that she has attempted 3 times to commit suicide, but every attempt was useless or worthless or a failure for her. She was not able to ruin herself or to ruin her life. All her attempts of death remained as a failure. What a million filaments. After her death attempts, there was minor change. Filaments means thin or minor change. After her death attempt, there was minor change. The peanut crunching crowd shoves in to see them unwrap me hand and foot. The big striptease. The peanut crunching crowd. People were crunching peanuts. People all around her were eating peanuts. Shows means they were pushing each other to see them unwrap me, to see the people unwrapping her hand and foot. People were enjoying the scene. They were eating the peanuts. They were pushing each other with quick movement to watch her being unwrapped by the others from her hand and feet. The big striptease. It was her death scene or of her escaping scene from death was as a form of entertainment for others. Gentlemen, ladies, these are my hands, my knees. Now she shows her hands and knees and calls those people who were pushing each other to see her being unwrapped. She calls them gentlemen and ladies. She shows them that those were her hands and knees. I may be skin and bone. She was unchanged before as she was. She was unchanged after her third death attempt. Nevertheless, I am the same identical woman. She told them that she was the same, identical means similar or same woman. There was not change in her after her attempt of committing suicide. So in this video, from the text of the poem, we come to know that Lady Lazarus does not want to live anymore, but she is aware of the social behavior when she faces the people after her survival from every suicidal attempt. The poem very well describes the neurotic condition of a woman who is in depression and who always thinks to kill herself by committing suicide. So, this is all about the poem till the 11th stanza of the poem. The next part of the poem will be interpreted in the next video. Thanks.